Hey guys, it's Catfish. I'm back with another video. And on today's video, we out here in Washington Park, man. Stunna got his first pull-up and park in the neighborhood today. So yeah, we gonna walk around and see what's going on. Alright, here we go. We got this guy. We got this guy out here. We got this guy.
Man, Montano game in the
Shout it out, y'all.
Yes, sir. You already know, man. Matter of fact, come on. Let me show you, man.
Let's
get the whole bed.
Look at it. Let me get it. Let me get it for y'all. So y'all see it right there. Go follow this young man on YouTube, man. He's up and coming YouTube. He doing things.
Yes,
this
sir.
Mustang, you see him out there. Hey, swinging this thing, yeah. Look at them lights. Them lights is nasty. Yes, sir. Already. Yeah, follow my young brother on YouTube. Got a nice Mustang. Yes, sir. We got a guy that's missing in action. He show up every once in a while.
Every once in a while.
Yeah, every once in a while. We got 5.0 Stang Gang on YouTube.
Oh yeah, man.
With that nasty. With that
Every now
nasty
and then.
Mustang, that 2017 Pack 2. Got this Monty.
2019 Performance Pack 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Performance Pack 2, whatever.
No.
Yeah. They got this Supra over here. It's pretty too. We got Ford over here. He done made some modifications to this car since last time I saw it. I said you done made some modifications since last time I saw it.
How you doing, man?
What's up, bro?
Happy New Year.
What's going on? Happy New Year. What's up, man? Oh wow, this thing look good. Yeah, but the interior on this car, guys, ridiculous. Yeah, he put the Super B, the wing on it. And yeah, guys, it's functional. Y'all see it. Y'all see the Super B. Ooh. Look at the interior. Look at the interior, guys. Man. That thing nasty. Yeah, we out here in Washington Park. I thought that was Playboy for a minute. He got Stunna over here. I don't know what he's doing. He don't know what he's doing with that bottle in his hand.
Hey.
He don't know what he's doing, guys.
It's that sauce.
But no. I got some better sauce than that. But anyway, I got some better sauce than that. Hey guys, I got some better sauce than that. He don't know what he's doing. I'm the master detailer, but he trying to do his own thing though. That's all right. That's all right. Look at this. Look at this right here. Y'all see that right there? I put that on there. That's my handiwork. You got the Doberman over here. Stunna got the Doberman out. Yeah, that red eye. Y'all see it?
Don't this come with a catch can already?
Yeah, right there. Right there. That's it. Right there.
Oh, man, nice.
It comes like that.
That's nice.
Yeah, they just start adding. Yeah, guys, this. Yeah, for the 2020. There's your catch can, right? There. The car comes with it. They start adding, man. He got the hood pins too. Yeah, he got the hood pins. These folks out here acting dumb. We got this guy out here. We got this guy out here.
Come on, man. Catfish.
What's going on?
We got this guy right here. Shout it out, man.
Money Rich the real Swervo, man.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold it, guys. He got on the merch from the legendary.
G Money.
G Money. Check him out right there.
Catfish.
Yeah, for sure.
There you go,
Y'all
right
know,
there.
hit that subscribe button. Catfish Corner.
What's up, man?
Y'all know school out here getting to it.
I ain't doing nothing, man.
Man, he getting to
I ain't doing nothing, man. I'm just chilling, man. Y'all be messing with me, man. Hey, look, they be messing with me all the
Hey, I be
time.
on this channel.
I'm a small little channel, man. I ain't doing nothing, man.
Hey, when you get an off day?
I don't. Woo, look at that thing now, boy.
Wait,
See, stand over there talking stuff. There you go.
He said, was
I'll put him on camera. Say that again.
It was a detail out here. So
Yeah, right. There you go, guys. There you go. Talking stuff.
The detail.
There you go. There you go. All right, look at these boys out here acting foolish.
I seen him earlier on Stunna. Tear that bitch up.
Yeah,
Right
right.
in the back, you can tell you tanning.
Yeah, all right.
That's how you work like this.
No.
What you talking about? Bumping all this shit.
He look at this. This it is.
Go on. I'm gonna let you have your fun today. Go ahead.
Is it this way or this
It
way?
doesn't matter
son?
how you wipe. It's your car. You wipe any kind of way you want to. But I'm gonna wipe it different than you. That's all
So
I'm
what's
gonna
the-
tell you.
what's the
That's
wipe?
your
You know
car.
what I'm saying?
That's your car. You can wipe it any kind of way you want to.
On how to do YouTube, I told him. But he
You
won't
did.
even tell me how to. What?
You did. You told me a lot about YouTube, bro.
You know what though, man? It's all right.
You taught me a lot about YouTube.
It's all right, man.
You did. Got
I'ma
special
just,
sauce.
No, hold on.
Your
Hold on.
special
Somebody's
sauce.
gonna tell me how to wipe the car.
My name on this?
Go on, hey guys, he acting crazy, but that's my brother. It's all in fun. He just messing with me. He know I got him. If he need me, I got him. He know that. Instead of messing with him, he just messing with me. What up, boy? Oh yeah, they done brought the trucks out today. Hey, this thing spicy right here. You got a cam in that thing. Look at this thing right here. What up, boy?
I still want me one of
Go
them.
that big old Benz right there, boy. Yeah. Let me walk down here. I got to get this Riviera on camera. This Riviera is hard, boy.
Hard, ain't it?
This boy is hard. This boy is hard, guys. They've been on my channel before, but man, this thing, look at, wait, whoa. Look at, I don't know if y'all can pick them metal flakes up in this paint. I don't know if y'all can pick them up, but they in there. He ain't playing no games, guys. This Riviera is so beautiful. Got the blacked out grill. This thing is nice. Y'all see it? Got the Ashantes on there. Look at the interior. He got the billet wheel on it. Yes, sir. 67, right? 67 rib, guys. You can see me in it. Look, you can see my feet. Man, this thing is so beautiful. And he a young brother too. See, he must be an old soul to get a car like that. He must have an old soul. Look at him. But this is a nice car he got though. I ain't gonna cap. It's nice. All right, guys, I'll get back to you in a second. Hey, we back. Look at this. Who is this guy right here? Yeah, this guy. He gonna play for us. Go GBall. What up, GBall? What's going on, bro? All right. Yeah, I see you, boy. I see you blossoming on them, boy. I see you. Yeah, I see you, boy. I see you, boy. Last night. Oh, you put a pro charge on that thing. Walk down here. Yeah. What's up, fellas?
What's going on? How you feeling?
Chilling, baby, chilling. acting fooly out here, y'all. I said they acting fooly out here. Get that fooly footage. As Cooley be cool and say, get that fooly footage. Yes, sir. Got BMW. That's nice. Look at it. They acting fooly out here, guys. Look at GTO. Hey, I'll get back with y'all in a second. Look at this boy. We got Swervo. We got Swervo 2 times in the building. And the Queen. What's that, Queen Tay? Look at him. There you go, y'all. In the building. Look at Daddy. What up, Daddy? What's going on? Hold on, man. Hey, what's going on? What's up, boy? Hey, man, y'all gonna follow my brother right there, man. What's up, boy? We got the Monte Carlo from the movie up in the building. Yeah. We got the Monte Carlo from the movie up in the building. In the building. It's clean too, guys. Woo-wee. Got those rocks on it. Woo, this thing clean. Dang. Look at this. Oh, Lord, look at the screen, guys. Are you kidding me? Look at that screen in there. Got the red guts in it. Oh, wait, I got to get the steering wheel. He got a wood steering wheel on this thing. What? I know y'all see it. He got a real wood steering wheel in this thing. But that screen is crazy, though. Yeah, buddy. We got a lot of cars out here, guys. Monty on 34s over here, 32s. Y'all see it. Go follow my brother on YouTube. Monty on 32s. Y'all go follow my brother YouTube channel. We got GBall Blast sitting right here. This Camaro on 34s. Go follow my brother on YouTube. GBall Blast. Got them big 34s on there. Got the 4Gs. Yeah, got the Corvette lights. Yeah. They brought them toys out today, guys. They brought them toys out today. It's so nice outside. Nice outside today. All right, I'll get back with you. Hey guys, we back. Hey man, Adonis. Shout the channel out, man.
It's Adonis 815. That is spelled with 2 N's. We on the road to 1K. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all.
All right, bro. So there you go, Swervo 2 times. Shout it out, bro.
Lit out here. It's your boy Swervo 2 times. We lit out here. What, first summer, first time to watch the park this year.
Yes, sir.
You already know it's
Stunna brought him out, man.
Kick off.
Stunna brought him out. Yep. And we got this guy. We got this guy over here. Man, I gotta put my sunglasses on, man.
Hey, it's a
What's up, brother? Stop that channel out.
Hey, make sure all you new subscribers subscribe to Catfish. Listen, he's the man. You need your car detailed. You need good footage. He gonna show you the best of the best. He know everybody. He worldwide.
Oh no,
He
come
worldwide.
on, man.
He
No,
worldwide.
no, I'm not.
Make sure y'all show that brother some love. I want to see my brother get up to 100K on the subscriber side.
man.
He deserve it.
I appreciate you, bro.
Y'all rock with me. Y'all rock with Catfish.
That's my boy
Subscribe
right
to
there.
his channel.
Y'all see it? Be loyal and stay true. Blast.
God's blessings.
Yes, sir. Look at it. Look at it.
My name GBall, but since a lot of niggas feeling it, it's God's blessings too.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Make sure y'all subscribe to Catfish. I want to see him at 100K. He deserve it. You see this man right next to
Appreciate it.
him?
That's my guy right there. He the reason I got a YouTube
They
channel.
Chicago
That man right
legends.
there.
They Chicago legends. Get this man his respect. Get Catfish his respect. You know what I'm saying?
I appreciate you, brother.
Appreciate that, bro.
That's my
I
guy.
still look up to Stunna.
I
I
do
call him
too.
Stunna.
I do too.
I still look up to Stunna. He used to invite me to his car shows when he had all the rappers out, Scrappy, everybody. I'm
Yes,
talking about like
Long time ago.
10 years ago, damn near.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He the only nigga had Adriana's doing numbers on the car shows.
Yes, sir.
Nobody else.
I know. That's my little brother right there. Yes, sir.
Now can I get a detail?
Yes, sir. I got you, man. I got you, man. I got you, Stunner. I got you, Stunner. I gotta get them swirl marks out. They
Make sure y'all
bothering
go
me.
subscribe to my brother Catfish Corner, man. One of the real ones, man.
Appreciate you, bro.
Definitely tune in.
We got a new up and coming YouTuber right here.
Man, he
Shout
up
your
and
channel
coming, man.
Yes, sir.
He done passed all of us, man.
In that thing, man.
All right.
Go subscribe to my channel, man. Thanks for the love, okay?
Got you, bro. Got you.
Yes, sir.
Always, always, always.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know I was on FaceTime.
Got an Audi thing coming. Look at this. They go that original SIT Jeep over there.
We got Stunna Reese in the building.
Oh, that's pretty blue. Boy, that's a pretty blue, ain't it? That blue is pretty.
Especially the camera.
Yeah, that's a pretty blue. Camera ain't gonna do it no justice though.
No, she know that from my
Old school Benzo. A little bit of color.
Oh, God.
Hey, big head.
Come on, man. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. What's up, girl? How you doing? You treating my boy right? Okay. All right. All right. As long as you treating it right, I ain't got nothing to say. Yeah, guys. I gotta get this cutlass real quick. Walk down here and get this cutlass. Let y'all see this cutlass real quick. Cutlass nice. It sound pretty good too. It's a hearse too. T-tops. They playing all that damn copyright music, man. Now I gotta put old girl on the vlog, man. Y'all follow me on Instagram, on YouTube at Catfish Corner. Boy, they wilding out around here, boy. Yeah. And just like that, this video is over.